We are reviewing Sheld Tech, and this is carbon fiber, not fabric. And I've already traveled with it. I had to take my RV to the shop and get something fixed on it. So it was about an hour away. So it was an hour there, hour back. Top speed 60 miles per hour on the interstate, I-75, and it held on pretty good, especially how much it weighs. So the cover itself weighs 8 pounds. The cover and magnets weigh 12 pounds combined. So it has these squares on them. So what you do is you put this out in the sun and they glow in the dark. So if you watched my first video, it took 3 people to install this. It had me on one side and my daughter on the other side. And then my wife at the time, my ex-wife now, she put on magnets. Let me show you what they look like. So this is what they look like. They had this rev film on it. So what you can do is you can temporarily put them on. So that's what we did at the time. And I'm so glad we did because the first one had some cuts in it that I had to return. And they replaced it pretty fast. Well, let me show you how to put it on. Just like that. Pretty easy. Well, let me show you how we can take it off now. All right. So what I do is I roll it up just like this, and then I put it underneath my bed. Well, you know what? Let me show you. All right, let me shut the door. Grab the cover. Close it. While we're already inside, let me go ahead and show you the magnets that are permanently on the window. If you notice, they're all along the sides and really not in your view. Well, that's the end of this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment. I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I hope to see you on the next video.